Hey guys, happy 4th of July. We're out at the lake messing around and thought we would just tell you guys happy 4th of July. And everybody's swimming and playing. Got Grammy there, Ginger. There's my buddy right there. And there's my little monkey.
Hello, guys.
Don't forget little Iris.
Well, let's see. Let's get a close-up of that pretty face. Look at that girl. Hi, baby. Hi. Say happy 4th of July. All right.
Well, thanks for the headbutt, Missy.
And Lillian
Are you telling
found
her
a new
hello?
buddy right there.
Are you telling her hello? I know, you're wanting that snack, huh? I know. You're wanting that snack from her, aren't you? It's far away, though.
Now, Lillian Louise is our almost 1.5-year-old white-faced Capuchin monkey. And she is in love with Rachel.
She's trying to get that snack away from Iris. She wants it.
Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, pretty blue eyes? Hi. You're so pretty. There's Uncle Bob swimming. There's Kelly. And there's the boys out there. And I hope you guys are having a great 4th of July. And we will see y'all next time. Thanks for stopping by.
You going for a drive, Missy? Huh? Are you going for a drive? Yes? I understand. You keep trying to steal my clips and Iris' socks in my back pocket. Yeah, I know what you're doing. I know what you're up to. Yes. Okay, I love you too. Okay. Thank you. That's sweet. Thank you. You want to
Lillian.
smile? Say cheese. Oh, no. You're going to turn around. You don't know what to do.